Hello, how to evaluate with our calculator? This is 3 power 16 minus 1. So I can express this 16 as product of 4 times 4. I have 3 power 4 times 4. 4 times 4 is 16 minus 1. Now if I have a power n times n, this equals a power n all to the power of n. So apply this same identity here. I will have 3 power 4, and this is raised to the power of 4 minus 1. And from here, 3 to the power of 4 is 3 times 3 times 3 times 3. And from here, 3 times 3, 9, 9 times 3, 27 times 3, that is 81. So we have 81 to the power of 4 minus 1. So from here, I can express this 4 again as product of 2 times 2. I have 81 power 2 times 2 minus 1. And I go back to the same identity. A power n times m equals a power n power n. I apply the same identity here. I will simply have 81 power 2 raised to the power of 2 minus 1. Now, I can decide to also raise this 1 to the power of 2 because 1 power 2 is the same thing as 1. So at this point, I can apply difference of 2 squares, power 2 here, minus. If you have a squared minus b squared, this equals a minus b times a plus b, and a equals 81 power 2, b equals 1. So let's insert them right here. That means we are going to have 81 power 2 minus 1 times 81 power 2 plus 1. So from here, we need to find the value of 81 power 2. So 81 power 2 is the same thing as writing 81 times 81. So if you have 81 times 81, 1 times 1, 1 times 8, 8 times 1, 8 times 8, 64. So you add them together. Now you have 1, you bring it here, 8 plus 8, 16, 6 carry over 1, add here. This becomes 5. Then you have 6, 6, 5, 6, 1. So what you are going to have here is 6, 5, 6, 1 minus 1 times 6, 5, 6, 1 plus 1. So from here, 6, 5, 6, 1 minus 1 will give us 6, 5, 6, 0 times 6, 5, 6, 1 plus 1 will give us 6, 5, 6, 2. So we need to multiply these together. How are we going to do it? I can express this as summation of 6,500 plus 60 times this. I can express it as 6,500 plus 62. Have you seen it? So right now, this and this is in the form of a plus b times a plus c. This is our a, this is b, this is a, this is c. So if you have something like this, you simply have a squared plus a times b plus c plus b times c. So this is how you are going to expand it. That means our a is 6,500. I will have 6,500 squared plus 6,500 times b plus c, 60 plus 62, plus 60 times 62. So from here, we need to find the value of 6,500 squared, right? What is 6,500 times 6,500? I can easily have this as 65 times 65. 5 times 5, that is 25. 5 carry over 2. 5 times 6, 30. 30 plus 2, I have 32. I come over to here, 6 times 5, 30. 0 carry over 3. 6 times 6, 36. 36 plus 3, 39. I add. What I'm going to have will be 5, 2. This is 12. 2 carry over 1 out here. 4, 2, 2, 5. So since we have double zeros here, you are going to have 4, 2, 2, 5, 0, 0. Then you have 0, 0, 4 zeros. Have you seen it? So that means we have 42,250,000. That's 6,500 times 6,500. I have plus, this is 6,500 times 60 plus 62. 60 plus 60 is 120. So 120 plus that is 122. Plus 60 times 62. So you have 60, 62. 2 times 0, 0, 2 times 6, 12. 6 times 0, 0, 6 times 6, 36. So you have 0, 2, 7, 3. 3, 7, 20. So you have 3, 7, 20. Now, the next step will be for us to multiply this out. You have 6,500 times 122. So let's multiply this out. 2 times 0, 0, 2 times 0 again, 0, 2 times 5, 10, 0 carry over 1, 2 times 6, 12 plus 1, 13. 2 times 0, 0, 2 times 0, 0, 2 times 5, 10, 0 carry over 1, 2 times 6, 12, 12 plus 1, 13. So from here, we also have 1, 1 times 0, 0, 1 times 0, 0, 1 times 5, 5, 1 times 6, 6. So we add, we have 0, 0, 0, 3. This is 4 plus 5, 9. This is 7. So we are having 793,000. So what we are going to add up in order to get our final answer will be, let's start with this, 42,250,000 plus, then this is 793,000. We have 793,000 plus again, this is 3,720. So that is the last one there, 3,720. So we have 3,720. We add up everything together. So 0 plus 0 plus 0, that is 0. This is 2. This is 7. This is 6. 5 plus 9, 14. 4 carry over 1 add here. 3 plus 7, 10. 0 carry over 1 add here. We have 3. And we have 4. So in total, we are having 43,046,720 for this was 3 to the power of 16 minus 1. I believe so. Let me confirm the question because I'm just solving. Yes, 3 power 16 minus 1. So 3 power 16 minus 1 is simply 43,046,720. We have achieved this without a calculator. And if you observe something, this value here is the same thing as writing 9 to the power of 8 minus 1. So this is just like writing 9 to the power of 8 minus 1. This will give you the same thing as 43,046,720. In fact, this also is the same as writing 81 power of 4 minus 1. And this will give you 43,046,720. All this will give you the same thing, depending on how you do it. Remember, 16 is simply 4 times 4. This 8 here is 4 times 2. And this is 4. So 4 times 2, 9 squared is 81. We have this. 4 times 4, 3 power 4 is 81. We have this. So they are all the same. So guys, this is how we have been able to evaluate this step by step. And I believe you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe and share this video to your friends. Thank you and have a wonderful day ahead. Now guys, if you want me to run a quick recap, what you need to do is express 16 as product of 4 times 4, 3 power 4. Remember the identity here. You have 81 power 4 minus 1. You express this 4 as product of 2 times 2. You have that. At this point, you can have difference of 2 squares because 1 power 2 is the same thing as 1. Apply the concept of difference of 2 squares like this. And to find the value of 81 power 2, which is 81 times 81, that is 6561. You apply it here, you subtract 1 and add 1. Then you multiply this out. If you can actually multiply this out outrightly without following these steps, you are still going to get the same thing. We can multiply this out. 6560 times 6562. But if you want to follow these protocols, this is what you are going to do. Then you break it down into 2 parts, 65 plus 60 times 65 plus 62. Then you add, subtract, multiply some terms. At the end, you're going to arrive at the answer. So guys, that is it. Thank you and goodbye.